Okay, this is our, well, James's customized scooter.
Here's
We have no idea what brand this is, but it's actually pretty damn good. Start at the top with Razor Ultra Pro rubber grips. These type of bars. We put the grip tape down here for decoration.
It looks pretty good, surprisingly.
Yeah. A double clamp came with the scooter.
Came with it, like
yeah. The headset is a fatty. I need to. Oh shit. Here, let me put it higher.
That's amazing right there.
Yeah, right.
That's pretty good.
Okay. We have no logo shown, but I'm pretty sure it used to be able to fold, but this is kind of old, so
Yeah.
it doesn't anymore. Flat grip tape. It works really good.
Razor.
Yeah, Razor Ultra Pro low kick scooter brake.
Same thing.
Yeah, along with the same wheels, Razor Ultra Pro wheels, and bearings, which are pretty good.
There are AVAX 7s in there.
Here. And let's give this thing for a ride.